Hello everyone, I'm Saranya Shasli. Today I'm going to demonstrate the Linux Survival Module 3. In this modules, it will focusing on the home directory, manual command, and find files command, and the file concatenation, and another one is the printing command. So the first command is the home directory. In Linux systems, has a private space to store the files is called home directory. If the Linux network is created and set up securely, only the owner or our regular users can access the files in the home directory. If you want to allow others to see the files, you can use the chmod or change mode command to change the privilege to others users. Okay, how to find where is the home directory? We can use pwd to find the part of the home directory. So as you see right here, we have the root and home directory, and then choose is referred to the users, and this is the main directory for these videos. And yeah, when you open the Linux systems, it's always automatically start at the home directory by itself. Yeah, and then we can use the tutored or these symbols to refer to the home directory. As you see, this one, the first one is home directory, which is the home, and the sources is the home directory, and then it's followed by the main directory that we use today. And another things is the tutor also be used in change user ID. For example, this is the tutors and follow to the name of the user ID that you want to change to. For example, cd is the change directory, right? And then use the tutor and then the user ID that you want to change to. For example, this one. But you can see that we don't have this username, user ID. Yeah. And also you can change the directory to another home directory, like for example this one /Sonia. This means change directory to home and sources, and then the another main directory is named Sonia, which is we don't have this directory yet. Yes, and this is all for the home directory part. Okay, the next command is man command. Man is for open the manual page, manual help of each command. If you want to see the manual of the command ls, you can use man and ls to see like this command, open this command manual and help. For example, this, yeah, and this is will show of the health manual. Yes, the first one is the name of the command. The second one is synopsis. Synopsis is the context syntax of the command. So it's use ls and space and then options and then files. It's a syntax of this command. And then description is the list information of each option that you can choose. Yeah. And then yes. And if you want to create this, you can type Q to create. Yes. And if you want to know the man command itself, you can use man and man. So we are going to open the manuals of the health manuals. This is the manual paper, right? It's the man command. And it's have like the syntax and the options, each option. For example, this one. Yes. And for the command man -k is to search for all appropriate word. For example, man-k maybe users. So it's mean to search for the keyword users in the manuals. So it will list all of the line in the manuals that have the word users. For example, this one, and this will list all of this. Yes, so the -k is meant to search the word users in the command. And that's all for the man command. The next part, I will demonstrate the files, the find files command. For the finding files, we use find command to find the files or the directory. So if you want to find the type of the, okay, let's explain. The find command is following the directory or the part that you want to find first. For example, one dot is mean current directory. But if the two dots is mean above directory or the parents directories. And for the three dots, this is just the normal name of the files. So it will get an errors. It's not the special one. So we don't use three dots here. Only one dot, two dot, or the part. Or you can use the tilde to demonstrate like the home directory. I mean the refer to home directory. And you can use the dot here, for example, in this current directory. And then you will find which one you want to find, like what type of the files. For example, if you want to find the files, you just dash type if is mean you want to find the files in this directory. So it will list all of the files that have in this directory. And if you want to find the directory in this directory, is use type D. So it will list the directory that we have is like 5 directory. And then if you want to find the keyword also, for example, find here with a name that have the nodes, but before node we have to use the stars. It's refer like or anything before the nodes word dot find this, or maybe you can use this as a, like any words after nodes and any word before nodes. Okay, so this command is mean finding the file or directory that have the name nodes in it. So you can see we have the 5 AI nodes in the backup, and then we have the directory nodes, and then we have the AI nodes in the nodes directory. Okay. And this is all for the find files command. For the concatenation, you use the cat command to output the content in the files. For example, in this demonstrate, I will use the backup directory to demonstrate. For example, we have 2 files in this directory. I will show the content of the AI nodes.txt. So right here is the contents of the AI nodes.txt. And then cat can also combine two files content into another files by using the cat AI nodes.txt space, and another files is the backup one.txt. And then you have to use the single arrow to point to the output that you wanna put it in the another files. For example, I wanna use the result.txt. Okay. Maybe I wrong, type it wrong. Okay, forget the S. Okay, now it's work. And then you can see the list of the files. So we have the result.txt all right now. Let's see, we can use cat also, cat result.txt. Okay, result.txt that you can see like this is the AI underscore nodes.txt, and this one is the backup files that I combined 2 files together. And then another thing that cat can do is cat, when we creating the new output files, it will overwritten onto it, like the previous content will delete and the new content will be write it in. As you see, like for examples, I do the cat again, like this, but I will use the backup first. And the AI notes, and then I want to output it in the result.txt, which is already exist. This file is already exist, so it will write over it. Okay. And then we can see the cat result. As you can see, the old content is overwritten and the new content was replaced. I mean the old was replaced. And we can fix this problem by using the double arrow like this. If you want to keep the previous content, you can use the double like this. And let's see the cat result. Okay, this one is the new one. This one is the old and this one is the new, so it's right like after the old content. Okay, the next one I'm gonna demonstrate the printing command. The printing command is the basic Linux printing is the L in PR. This is mean the line printing. It mean you will send this text files, any file to the printer. For the examples, the backup directory, I have 3 text files, so I will line printing the result .txt to the printer. So you can write just this if you have already like the printer, default printers. But if you wanna make sure like which printer you wanna print, you can type this one is mean the file was going processing to the printer, but it's not show any like message. But if you want to change to the another printer, or you want to make sure like which printer you want to do, so you can use the dash key as like uppercase key and following with the space and the name of the printer. For example, like HP 1080 is like a name of the printer, and another you have to follow with the files that you want to send it to print. For example, the result.txt, for example, this, and then as will tell you that unknown printer this name, this like no printer this name. So okay, you have to make sure like which printers. And another command is the LPQ. LPQ is mean display the print queue. So let's see. Okay, right now we have the job, only one job, the result that we just sent it. Okay, and the owner is me. Okay, and then the next command is the remove in queue. We'll have like LPRM line print remove one. Let's see the queue. Okay, and then you can see like the queue was removed. And this L for 5 printer for 5 printings. and all of this is the module 3, and the next video is the module 4. Let's focus on the directory tree, copy and this space managing. Okay, bye, thank you for watching.